We would like to know more about scientists who work in the field of science and contributed towards betterment of the world. Let us invite the famous 15 scientists.
Today, I am here to tell about the Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman, the renowned physicist, founder of the Indian Zoology of Physics. He, the first colored person to win a Nobel Prize in Physics for a starting of life, when eventually it is named as Raman effect after him. He was honored by the Nobel Prize in 1930 and Bharat Ratna in 1934. After the lifetime in 1954. Thank you.
Krishnan, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, first Vice President, second President of India, Ambassador of UNESCO, Bharat Ratna Award for enhancing the value of education in our society. Thank you.
Quantum formulation, this leads to a famous Bose-Einstein. He got Padma Bhushan Award. He discovered the particles. In fact, this boson particle is named after him. Over to Sanika.
Jagadish Chandra Bose, he demonstrated first ever wireless communications through radio waves, the technology we used in Wi-Fi. Over to Rishita.
Good evening everyone, I am here to tell about Acharya Sir Prafula Chandra Ray. He was referred to as an honor of Acharya, which means one leading to by an example. He was referred to as an father of Hindu chemistry, which led to set up a sugar factories, soap factories, textile factories, etc. to publish the Indian industrially self-sufficient. Over to Babita.
Today I am here to tell about Homo Jahanvi Baba. He is the father of Indian nuclear program. He was also known for his work, nuclear physics and cosmic rays. Over to Dikshita.
Meghnad Saha formulated thermal ionization equation and outstanding discovery of astrophysics. Over to
Good morning everyone. I am here to tell about Dr. Birbal Sahni, Indian paleobiologist. He elected as President of Geology Section of the Indian Science Congress, and he was the founder of institute named the Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleobiology.
Good morning, Manada. I am here to tell about Vikram Sarabhai. He was born on 28th December 1949. He was a Indian space program. Ancestor group worked with communication skills. He honored with Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan awards.
Indo-American physiologist won the Nobel Prize. He was one of the most famous scientists. His work contributed our own current views about Mr. Prasidha Chandra Mahalanobis. He was born on 29th June 1873. He introduced the Indian Statistical Institution ISI in India and was died on 28th June 1972.
Was a famous Indian American biochemist. He was the first scientist to crack genetic code by demonstrating the role of nucleotides in protein synthesis. He was first scientist to synthesize artificial genes. His work led to creation of genetic engineering as a new branch of science. He is awarded by Nobel Prize. Thank you.
About Sriram Shankar Abhyankar, worthily honored mathematician, published 200 research papers, elected as a fellow of the National Science Academy.
Hi everyone, I am here to speak about Srinivas Ramanujan. He contributed for the field of mathematical analysis, number theory and infinity series. His most popular discovery called R.T. Ramanujan number. Thank you.